Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee. Boy, it's been a long time since I've said that. Just doing this quick video as a follow-up to the video that I did showing that I was buying a new nuke of bees because I'm getting back into beekeeping. I've been off for a year, so I'm just going to give you this video to tell you why I was off, what happened, and what my plans are for this year. So thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee. So the reason why I was off for a year was because a couple of major reasons. One was that I wasn't enjoying doing YouTube videos anymore. They changed the algorithm yet again, and my videos weren't doing as well. And I'm never crazy about begging people to subscribe or click like. It really should happen organically, but if you haven't done so yet, like and subscribe to the channel. So there you go. But anyway, so I wasn't enjoying doing the videos, and what happened was, where I had the bees located was a fantastic spot with really kind and generous owners that helped me a lot. And it was exactly halfway between home and work. So it was really easy for me to drop by there, see the bees on the way back and forth. But then I moved 4 years ago. And then it became that the trip to the bees was at least an hour and a half round trip. And it just became too much. I still had them going. But as winter of 2022 was rolling by, I started 2022 with 3 hives. One died in March before I could feed it. Big mistake there. And then another just struggled with the queen. Never had a good queen. Wouldn't requeen. Tried to requeen. I bought 2 queens and put them in that hive, and they just could not keep a queen. So that hive struggled while the other hive did really well. So come October, actually late September, I decided to combine the 2 hives into one really strong hive, and it was going great. It did great through October. Near the end of October, I went to winterize the hive, and they were gone. They left within 3 days late in October. So very odd. I've never had that happen. Never had an entire big, strong colony swarm at the end of October. So I just thought, you know what? I'm going to take the 2023 off. I'm going to take the year off to reflect and see if I really want to keep doing this beekeeping. And I decided I do. So as you can see here, I'm just getting all my equipment in order. Near the end of 2023, I knew that I wanted to keep bees again. It's a lot of fun. They are amazing critters, and it's something that I really enjoy doing. But my family also encouraged me to get back into it as well. My wife wants me to teach her to beekeep, and I'm pretty sure that she's going to follow through on that. So that should be a lot of fun, something I can share with the family. So here I am checking out all my equipment, at least some of it, and seeing how much work I have to do to get ready. I'm starting off with one nuke that I'm buying, as you saw in my previous video, and one of the subscribers to the channel, who I don't want to mention right now because I haven't asked for his permission, but he's very graciously offered me a nuke as well. So we'll be starting off with 2 nukes by the end of spring, early summer, with the goal of just multiplying bees, right? Don't care about honey this year. I just want to see if I can split them into at least 4 colonies, maybe 6 if we get lucky, and just head into winter with strong hives that I can continue to grow. I started calling around this area to see if I could find a farm that would let me put these bees on. And sure enough, the first phone call I made was to this place. And they very graciously said that yes, bees would fall into what their plans are for their farm, and I don't want to give too much information on them either because they have given me permission. They've given me permission to do YouTube videos, but we'll just keep it a little quiet as to where it is exactly, just for the sake of a bit of privacy for them. But it's an incredible property. It's absolutely perfect as far as a bit of offering some protection from the wind and such for the bees, and then giving them more or less full day sun in an area that's really easily accessible by me, but not so much known and off the beaten trail. So really looking forward to it. Here's a little hint as to who occupies the farm. Yeah, I don't think I'll be getting too close to these guys. They don't like visitors. So anyway, looking really forward to getting the stuff ready in the next couple of weekends and building up an apiary and getting back into beekeeping. So really appreciate your support. I've had a bunch of people already offer me some support and welcome me back, so I really do appreciate it. A like and a subscribe wouldn't hurt neither. And thanks for joining me. Looks like it's going to be a fun year at 4D Honeybee.